She just kept telling us different directions.
Yeah.
She kept being like, don't forget the yogurt's in the fridge.
Don't forget.
Ma, I know the yogurt's in the fridge.
Yeah.
We're not even eating yogurt. We're having ice cream. Okay, first ice cream try.
Not a big bite, no.
No. I made this. Let me know what you think. Ma said the yogurt's in the fridge. Yogurt's in the fridge? You mean the ice cream's in the freezer? Right? How is it?
Good.
This one's yum? Boom. Yogurt's in the fridge?
Lemon ice cream.
In the freezer!